Hey, what's up, guys? Chris Coombs here. Running my video for the Joe Torre rookie. A little under the weather, so bear with me. Let's see. We got Richard, Henry, Melvin, Greg, Zach, Melvin, Greg, Henry, and Richard. We come down here. We're gonna go live. Live times 8:46. Current time 8:46. Gonna go run the giveaway. Alright, gonna roll the dice. Anything over 2 gets us going. Here we go. Dice roll at 8:46. Going 10 times. Good luck, everybody. First time at 8:46. First time we got Henry. Second time we got Melvin. Third time Melvin. Fourth time Melvin. Fifth time Melvin. Sixth time Henry. Seventh time Greg. Eighth time Melvin. Ninth time Henry. 10th and final at 8:47. Winner is Greg. Takes it with spot number 5. 10 times, 10 times. Our verification code's right here. We're going to come back here. We are going to go done. I want to thank you all for filling this one up. It's done time 8:47, current time 8:47. Thank you, and have a great rest of your Monday or Sunday.